At the trailer launch of Aankhon Ki Gustakhia, Shanaya Kapoor and Vikrant Massey surprised everyone with a chemistry that felt refreshingly unexpected yet deeply magnetic. Their subtle gestures, shared smiles, and easy rhythm hinted at a connection that goes beyond rehearsed promos. It wasn't just a press event, it felt like a preview of the emotional depth and unspoken spark their characters will bring to the screen. This pairing, though unconventional, might just be the soulful duo Bollywood didn't know it needed.
So good to see you, of course. बड़े सारे दिल टूटे हैं और आज बड़े सारे दिल जो हैं जुड़े भी हैं.
Well, okay, yeah.
शनाया ने माइक बंद करवा दिया, किसी और को आई लव यू नहीं बोल पाएंगे ये
No, no,
आज.
thank you so much. I love you too. Thank you. Thank you. It really means a lot.
This is brilliant. Whatever we've seen on that big screen. Of course, I'll talk to you. लेकिन उससे पहले मैं अपना काम थोड़ा आसान कर रहा हूँ. I would want you to do the honors and invite your leading lady here, of course.
Yes, thank you so much for that. And this, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ये उनकी पहली फिल्म है, पर जितना मैंने उनसे सीखा है इन 4-5 महीनों में, उतना शायद ही मैंने अपने 21 साल लंबे करियर में सीखा होगा. And I mean every word of it. तो प्लीज, जैसे मैंने कहा, to my friends in the media, to all our well-wishers who are here, give it up for one of my favorite people, for one of my favorite co-actors, someone who deserves all your love, because this is actually her first film. Give it up for Shanaya Kapoor!
Oh.
And I would also want to add something, sir. ये impromptu चीजें नहीं करनी चाहिए, वरना फिर एक बार मेरे जैसा आदमी बोलने लगता है तो रुकता नहीं है. तो I will take a minute or two. You know what my silence is saying right now, and your family is here. Mahip ma'am is here. Sanjay sir is here. Your brother Jahan is here. तुम्हारा पूरा जहान यहाँ है. And I've had the privilege of knowing you personally as well. And I really want to just ask you one thing with just one word, because I know what this means to you. Finally. Yes. How does it feel? Give it up for Shanaya Kapoor, guys.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
Thank you so much.
ये इसका जवाब अब ये देंगी, and I am so happy to see you on this stage. And please, the world is yours, the stage is yours from here on. Please, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Firstly, I just want to say thank you everyone for coming and showing so much love. I think when we entered today and we were walking on stage, I saw so many photos and the posters, and I was noticing everything. So thank you. That really means a lot. And I think for all of us, I think especially when we're facing the camera, I think this is all that we're waiting for, is your approval and your love and your acceptance. So thank you so much. This is just the start, but to show so much love already means a lot. And
बस हो गया
nahin, I've not said anything about you yet.
Oh my God.
No, but I'm feeling a lot of gratitude, very grateful to be here. और finally मैं यहाँ हूँ, मैं अपना ट्रेलर देख रही हूँ, मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ PVR में, और मैं हर फ्राइडे PVR जाती हूँ. Salt, caramel popcorn mix, Coke के साथ. I'm always on the last row. Q17, 18, 19 is always our row, and I am always sitting and I'm watching films. I've grown up watching films, and now I'm finally part of it. And I think it means a lot that we're here. I think PVR, honestly, I really means a lot to me. It's like where I've grown up. So to see myself on this big screen, it was like a... That's it. That's all I'm feeling.
Wow.
It's calm.
Wow.
I think मेरे किरदार को लेकर नहीं है, but it was about the film, the story, और जो कहानी है वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, और मुझे बहुत सीखने को मिला. जब भी मैं एक स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ती हूँ, फर्स्ट टाइम मैं एक ऑडियंस के तौर पर पढ़ती हूँ, और जब मैं नरेशन के लिए गई, जब मुझे स्क्रिप्ट मिला, और जब मैं ऑडियंस के तौर पर मैं रीड कर रही थी और मैं कहानी को महसूस कर रही थी, समझ रही थी, आई लर्नड अ लॉट. आई थिंक कि हम एक सोसाइटी है, स्पेशली द जनरेशन आई कम फ्रॉम, हम सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर हम इतने सारे जजमेंट्स है ऑलरेडी, प्री कंसीव नोशंस होते हैं. और आई थिंक इन दिस फिल्म यू लर्न not to judge someone before you get to know them. Love without your eyes. Feel the person, understand the person, get to know the person. And of course, आप सबा के बारे में बात करते हो. I mean, she's my best friend. वो मेरी पहली friend है, पहली my everything is सबा. I think एक instant connection था जब मैं सबा से मिली, जब मैं सबा के costume में थी. It felt meant to be. और सबा आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा स्पेशल चीज़ सबा के बारे में ये है कि समटाइम्स व्हेन यू सी अ फिल्म विच इज़ ऑल्सो ओके, समटाइम्स यू जस्ट सी अ कैरेक्टर और वो कैरेक्टर खाली डिपिक्ट कर रहे हैं और खाली दिखा रहा है. बट आई थिंक विद सबा शी हैज़ लेयर्स, देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ फ्लॉज टू हर विच मेक हर ह्यूमन. एक ग्राफ है एंड आई थिंक दैट ग्राफ एक्साइटेड मी, इंटिमिडेटेड मी. बट आई थिंक एज अ न्यू एक्टर आई वॉन्टेड टू टेक माई फर्स्ट स्टेप विद अ रिस्क, with that intimidating feeling and with that excitement कि मुझे आप लोगों को दिखाना है कि मैं शायद क्या कर सकती हूँ, fingers crossed. And I think you can only show that with a character and with the opportunity like आँखों की गुस्ताखियाँ, which Sir, Mansi, Varun, Sandy sir have given me. And yeah, now I'm just waiting for you guys to see it, or and you guys to give me that approval and that love.
जी.
But Shania, my question is to you. What is your idea of love? Because here in this trailer also, as we see your character, she finds it difficult to move on. And in today's time, people keep on moving on from relationships very easy. This character shows that, it takes time to move on from a love which you have found.
Yeah, I mean, for me, I think love is friendship. I think love is all about being friends with that person, and I don't think that I ever define love with someone that you're with as a partner. I feel love is with your family, it's with your friends, it's with your little dog. Love is everything. It's a universal feeling, and it's that one feeling across the world. Everyone feels and everyone connects to and everyone understands. No matter where you come from, which part of the world you live in, love is a very, very universal feeling. And yes, I think, of course, in our generation, there is this tendency of moving on quicker, and there is this sense of detachment, but I'm not that kind of person. I love the feeling of love. I love love in all ways, and I don't think it's defined with just being with that one person. So, yeah.
यहाँ से निकल के आज मैं 4-5 को आई लव यू बोलने वाला हूँ. बाय गॉड, नहीं मेरे अंदर बहुत प्यार आ गया. सर आओ.
हाँ शनाया,
नहीं तो यारी दोस्ती में कम.
शनाया,
वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन.
विक्रांत जी ने कहा मैंने शनाया से बहुत कुछ सीखा. ठीक है, आपने किससे सीखा?
ऑब्वियसली मैंने विक्रांत से बहुत कुछ सीखा है. एक्चुअली ये बहुत ही जेनरस एज यूजुअल बन रहे हैं और वो कह रहे हैं कि उन्होंने मुझसे बहुत सीखा. बट genuinely, I think one thing I've always said about Vikrant, which I learned from him a lot on set, is that he's a very, very giving actor. I think कभी-कभी आप जब एक scene कर रहे हो या आप एक important moment दिखा रहे हो कैमरा के सामने, आप सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचते हो. कभी-कभी अपना लाइन क्या है, कॉस्ट्यूम है, मेकअप. और I think Vikrant has taught me that it's not about just you, it's about a scene as a whole. Or he'll think about the background action, he'll think about that light, he'll think about your lines. आप कैसे feel कर रहे हो, आपको क्या लगता है, should we do it like this? He's never made me feel that I'm the new actor on set. He's treated me as an equal artist, which I think is, I was just very grateful, and I'm filled with gratitude that I got this chance.